bro. You good? You need a doctor? Psychiatric assistance?
You know. Let's say no. Just so we have that in our head. Excuse you. Stay in your lane.
What the?
Oh my god. Is that person okay?
Stop sign. There's a stop sign, dumbass. You piece of shit. You have a stop sign, dumbass. You piece of shit, learn how to drive. You ran a stop sign. You ran a stop sign. You piece of shit.
You're a motorcycle and you just slammed up behind me. You might want to be careful.
I was directly behind you. Use your eyes. I was doing about 2 miles an hour.
Doubt it, bro.
Use your eyes, idiot.
Bro's following us. Bro's following me. Bro's following me. He's angry.
Oh, that's a nice spot.
We're gonna park. Let's see what happens. You got a problem? What's up? I was stopped.
No, you weren't. You got in front of me, you puss.
I didn't cut in front of you. You were trying to merge into the lane.
Correct, and you didn't stop.
I let you go in front of me, so what's the problem? I let you go in front of me. What's the problem?
But you almost hit me.
No, you almost hit me. I was going into the lane. Let you go in front of me.
Did I get under your head on?
What? Say that again?
Did I get under your head on?
Whoa, is that a threat?
No, it's a promise.
It's a promise?
Yeah.
Oh shit, okay.
You want to test it?
Dude, I'm parked. I'm just trying to get gas and shit and then go to Costco. You're the one that's trying to cause problems. What's wrong with you? You're bullying a 21-year-old. What's your problem, man? You're 70.
You're right.
You're having beef with a 20-year-old. That's sad as bro.